Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to Poznan. When I get to Poznan, I'm going to show you beautiful things. Right now I'm going to catch up with my bus. So I'll be entering the bus station now. The place is known as Łódź Fabryczna. Here you can enter both bus and train. They also have international train as well as domestic trains. I've just entered the train station. Here you can enter both domestic and international train, and I think buses too. Yeah, I think the buses too can go to some new countries. By the way, Łódź Fabryczna is a very beautiful place. Like, I feel like it should be an airport, you know, because it's so beautiful when you look at it from the outside. I'm going to the bus station now. This is the notice board for the buses that are going. So let me zoom it, and the first one is my own. Okay, that is leaving at 8:20, and it is at the platform 24. I'm going to the platform now. Here's the platform and here's the bus. I'm about to enter the bus now, so I'm going to talk to you when I get to Poznan. Okay, we're now in Poznan. It's becoming warmer in Poland nowadays. Summer is approaching. See another media mat. Just arrived at the bus station. Waiting for a friend, and when he comes, he's gonna help me explore Poznan and describe places for you. Hey guys, my friend is here. Say hi to them. And we are at a park in Poznan. He's gonna be showing me around, and he's gonna give some explanation, you know, to describe the places for you, because I'm new here. Like, I don't live here, and he knows here better than I do. If you haven't liked this video, please ensure that you click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so, and make sure you click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. Alright, let's go. Come with me, let's do this place. So what's the name of that?
It's like a big complex building where, you know, so many companies, you know, lease it. So we have the McKinsey, we have the Softwares, we have Żabka. So
also
it's just
Żabka, the
yeah,
popular market in Poland.
Yep. It's a bigger Żabka.
Like their headquarters or something like that.
Probably they have offices there.
So big, I haven't seen something like this before.
It's a bigger Żabka. It's a bigger. Even you can find another big Żabka at the train station, Avenida. Like, it's kind of restaurant, you know. Now Żabka has more office, so you can also sit there down there like Żabka. Unlike the other ones, you can just go there, buy and leave, but there you can buy food and then eat it there.
Wow. So I see something like soft sweet.
Yeah.
McKinsey and company.
Yeah, and I think there's another
like
one.
The offices.
Yeah, and it's another one also. One other company on the other side.
Oh, I do. What is this?
This is Economic University in Poznan. Yeah. They
have bachelor's.
preparatory course, bachelor's, masters, doctoral school, and some executive MBA courses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are they in English?
I think they're in English. For example, the preparatory course, it's in English for those who, you know, they don't have those kind of English proficiency.
Okay.
They will accept you, but you have to do the preparatory course for at least 9 months or so before you begin your bachelor's.
Okay. Anyway, for more details, you can just go to their website. Okay. Just go and Google Economic University of Poznan, something like that, and check it out and find more information about it. And I saw something over there, like USD, the popular university in Poland. I think they have a branch in Łódź also, right?
Yes, and Poznan, I think Krakow.
Not sure they have in Łódź, but I know they have in Warsaw.
Yeah, Warsaw, in Poznan too.
Okay. You can also check it out, WSB University. It's a very attractive institution for foreigners. Nice buildings. A bit of history about Poznan, so make sure you pay attention, and this can help you if you're a history student. Over there is the Imperial Castle in Poznan.
It used to be the residence of the German Empire, and it was built around between 1904 to 1910.
Okay, wow. Wow, that was during the war, right? Or before Poland got her independence, right?
1980, that was before the independence.
Oh, okay, so before the independence, this castle has been here. And the Germans were the ones.
It was for the German Empire who used to live.
The German Emperor.
Yeah.
Used to be. Okay, wow. And it seems like Poznan have more beautiful buildings compared to Łódź.
Yeah, I think from what I heard, Poznan was affected by the war, so kind of renovated, unlike Łódź. Łódź wasn't really renovated. Warsaw was renovated, so that's why you see more like new buildings. Some of them have a little bit of reconstruction and stuff.
Okay, yeah, the buildings were demolished.
Not so much. You can still have a few of the old buildings.
Oh, okay.
But a little bit of, you know.
Okay, but a lot of buildings were
Like
demolished.
this one is an empire. Probably it has been renovated one way or the other. Probably.
Okay. So, but a lot of the buildings here were
Yes,
demolished, and hence they had to, put in new structures, modern structures. Okay. Alright guys, that's the end of my Poznan tour. Sorry I didn't have time to go to many places, but anyway, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have been to Poznan, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Do you like it? What do you like about Poznan? Do you know any other thing about Poznan? Please share it in the comment section. And if you haven't liked this video, please click on the like button, okay? Subscribe, click on the bell so that you can notify whenever we drop content. We have amazing content on this channel and we'll keep dropping them, okay? Ensure that you watch other videos on this channel as well, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Alright, thanks for watching. Till we come your way again, have a great time. See you in our next video.